Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the details of the best balloon arch kit available in the market, the blue and white balloon garland arch kit. Whether you're planning a baby shower, birthday party, or any special event, this kit promises to elevate your decorations with ease and style. This balloon kit comes with everything you need to create a stunning balloon garland or arch. It includes a variety of balloon sizes and colors, 2 PCs of 18 white balloons, 2 PCs of 18 light blue balloons, 30 PCs of 12 light blue balloons, 20 PCs of 12 white balloons, 20 PCs of 5 light blue balloons, and 10 PCs of 5 white balloons. All-purpose colors, perfect for a wide range of occasions including baby showers, weddings, birthdays, and more. High-quality materials. Made from thickened latex, these balloons are durable and have strong elasticity. Helium supported. They can be filled with helium to float for more than 12 hours, or simply filled with air and hung with ribbons. Complete kit. Includes balloon strip tape, dot glue, and silver ribbon, making the assembly of your balloon decorations a breeze. Start by inflating the balloons using helium or air. Then use the provided balloon strip tape to easily assemble them into a garland or arch. Secure everything in place with the dot glue included in the kit, and add a finishing touch with the silver ribbon. This kit not only simplifies the process of creating a balloon decoration but also ensures a professional-looking result that will impress your guests. The variety of sizes and colors allows for creative freedom in designing your decorations to suit any theme or event. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best balloon arch kit to elevate your party decorations, look no further than the blue and white balloon garland arch kit. With its high-quality materials, ease of use, and versatile design options, it's a must-have for any event planner or DIY enthusiast. That wraps up our review of this fantastic balloon arch kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.